So it's been one of the biggest talking points in international football circles. The resignation of Gareth Southgate as the coach of England is probably the most high-pressure international coaching job. Not because England are excessively good, but due mainly to the unrealistic, almost fantasy-like expectations of English football fans and pundits. We suspect, due to the global popularity of the English Premier League, the English media, and the worldwide fan base talk about the players every day. And it's like there is an automatic assumption that visibility equates to quality. No go so. The best players and coaches in the EPL are foreigners. And when these foreigners go back to their countries, what is left is comparatively Dregs players and Dregs coaches. The fact of the matter is that England is not as big a football country as they think. They have won one single major international title, the 1966 World Cup in England. And that is almost 60 years ago.